A week ago, I celebrated my 64th birthday. And if I could sit down with my 20-year-old self and share the lessons I've learned, this is exactly what I would say. Lesson 1. Build your willpower. Nothing will take you further in life than the ability to focus and push through distractions. If you can truly concentrate for long periods, you'll leave most people behind. Treat this video like a test. If you watch until the end, you'll already be ahead. Lesson 2. Be a creator, not just a consumer. Learn as much as you can, but always put more into the world than you take out. Otherwise, your time and attention will vanish before you notice. Lesson 3. Treat people well, especially those on the rise. You never know who will succeed in the future. Being kind and supportive now can create opportunities and connections later. Lesson 4. Watch the crowd and then do the opposite. I spent years in a 9-to-5 job, comfortable but stagnant, until I decided to forge my own path. I wouldn't be where I am today if I hadn't taken that chance. Remember, if you try to please everyone, you'll end up like everyone else. Lesson 5. Who you know can matter far more than what you know. Connections and networks can open doors. Money never will. Lesson 6. Don't gossip. If you have a problem with someone, address it directly or not at all. Trust and reputation are everything. Lesson 7. Embrace mistakes. Most of my success came from failing and learning. Avoiding failure doesn't protect you, it keeps you stuck. Lesson 8. Make reversible decisions quickly. Don't get stuck overthinking choices that can easily be corrected later. For irreversible decisions, slow down and gather information. Lesson 9. Focus on one thing at a time. Multitasking is a myth, just divides your attention and lowers your results. Lesson 10. Don't aim to be the best, aim to be the only. Combine skills in unique ways like Steve Jobs did and create something no one else can. Lesson 11. Don't complain. Change what you can, adjust your mindset when you can't, and keep moving forward. Lesson 12. Work smart, not just hard. Technology makes things easier than ever for those willing to learn and apply it. Build systems that leverage your time. Lesson 13. Learn from everyone you meet. Even younger people can teach you something valuable. Stay humble. Lesson 14. Respect your elders. They've been through what you haven't, and their experience can save you from mistakes. Lesson 15. Don't fear change, brace it. I started in traditional retail, but when the internet shifted everything, I adapted and created more opportunities than I ever imagined. Lesson 16. Live in the moment. Don't let your phone or social media steal experiences you'll never get back. Lesson 17. Always pay the bill. It's not about impressing anyone, it's about respect and responsibility. Lesson 18. Say no when necessary. It's better to decline than to be in over your head. Lesson 19. Present yourself intentionally. How you appear, speak, and carry yourself affects everything. Think of it like building your own brand. Lesson 20. Mentally prepare for loss. Life is unpredictable, and valuing every moment is essential. Lesson 21. Don't take rejection personally. Learn from it and improve. Lesson 22. Take power naps. Short rests boost productivity more than you think. Lesson 23. Listen to opposing views. Challenge your beliefs and learn from others. Lesson 24. Be punctual. Respect others' time, it reflects your character. Lesson 25. Be motivated by values, not money. Let your principles guide your decisions. Lesson 26. Focus on vision, not fear. Fear keeps people small. Vision propels you forward. Lesson 27. Stand up to bullies. Don't let anyone take your confidence. Lesson 28. Use your natural advantages. Recognize your strengths and circumstances, and apply them strategically. Lesson 29. Skip flashy purchases in your 20s. Build long-term wealth first. Lesson 30. Protect your reputation lasts longer than your money. Lesson 31. Stop comparing yourself to peers. Everyone moves at their own pace. Lesson 32. Don't let a bad day spiral into a bad week. Reset and keep moving. Lesson 33. Always pay off credit cards. This is the foundation of financial health. Lesson 34. Any job is better than no job. Work builds character, networks, and confidence. Lesson 35. Research investments before committing. Never be pressured. Lesson 36. Master storytelling. It will get your ideas heard and remembered. Lesson 37. Live for your own goals, not others' expectations. Lesson 38. Follow a paycheck system. 50% needs, 20% savings, 30% debt, and gradually invest in assets. Lesson 39. It's okay not to have everything figured out. Life is about learning and adapting. Lesson 40. Start investing for retirement now. Even small amounts compound massively over time. Lesson 41. Ask great questions, they get you better answers. Lesson 42. Enjoy the journey. Happiness comes from the process, not just achieving goals. Lesson 43. Time is precious. Nothing is ever truly free. Value your time like money. Lesson 44. Stop waiting for inspiration, take action now. Motivation will follow. Lesson 45. Work hard in your 20s for a more comfortable life in your 30s and beyond. Lesson 46. Tackle difficult tasks first thing in the morning for maximum productivity. Lesson 47. Don't stress about the university you attend. Skills and application matter more. Lesson 48. Take care of your back. Posture affects productivity and health for life. Lesson 49. Embrace your uniqueness. Differences are advantages. Lesson 50. Choose your life partner carefully. A strong, supportive relationship multiplies your success.